Hi makers! Today we're using a flower that most of you are able to buy, roses. This rose petal lei uses about 1 dozen roses. Thanks for supporting our channel. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. We have loved seeing all of the graduation leis you have made from our tutorials and sent to us through social media. I'm using dental floss as my string. I get asked about the needle I use all the time. I use this needle in all of my leis. It is from Hobby Lobby in the sewing section, and it's called a long doll needle. This 2-pack costs $1.99, and the needle is 4 3/4 inches long. I'm threading my needle. My finished lei will be 40 inches long, so I'm doubling my floss to be about 45 inches long. Next, I'm going to remove the heads of the roses from the stem. My roses are coming off really easily because they're a week or so old, but to remove the head, simply hold the stem in one hand and pull off the rose head with your other hand. Once I have all of my rose petals ready, I'm gently folding both sides of the rose petal towards the center. With the folded sides facing down, I'm piercing the center of my petal with my needle. As I add new petals, I'm positioning them to create a star-like shape. For my larger petals, I'm rolling them until they are a similar size to my folded petals. To use the inside petals that are smaller, I'm doubling my rose petals and rolling them together so that it is strong enough to stay on the string. Once you reach your desired length, tie your two ends of floss together. I used 12 roses to create a 40-inch lei. This lei is more fragile than some of our other fresh lei tutorials. I would recommend creating this no more than 24 hours before your event. I spray all of my leis with a Hawaiian flower spray that helps the flowers to retain moisture. I will link that in the description box. I keep this lei in the fridge in my produce drawer with the fridge on the warmest setting until it is ready to wear. Thanks for watching.